How to fix Snapchat blurry videos. Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily fix if you're having blurry pictures or videos from your Snapchat camera. But before getting started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. So the first thing you need to do is simply go ahead and open up your Snapchat. Now from here, you just want to head over to your chat section and then tap on your profile at the top left. Now just tap on the settings menu. Scroll down all the way until you see an option to clear cache. So here under account actions, just tap on clear cache and all of your caches will be cleared and your memory backups won't be deleted. So sometimes all of these junk files might be causing the problem. So it is better to clear them out from time to time. So once you have done that, you just want to make sure that your application is up to date. So go ahead and search for Snapchat here. Hit enter and then simply open it up. If you see an update button here instead of open, make sure to update the app. Now once that is done, you can simply go ahead and open up its app info, head over to storage, and you want to clear cache from here as well, and then tap on permissions. Make sure all of these permissions are allowed to your Snapchat, and then you should be good to go. So you can just restart your phone once and you should no longer have the blurry effect on your camera. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If so, hit the like button below and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.